This bird eats snake. Meet the secretary bird, the tall, long-legged raptor that hunts like an eagle but walks like a superstar across the African savanna. With its crane-like legs and a crown of quill feathers that look like pencils, it's one of the most unique birds on Earth. Instead of diving from the sky, the secretary bird hunts on foot, using lightning-fast kicks strong enough to crush snakes, even venomous ones. Its long legs keep it safely out of striking range, making it one of the savanna's toughest predators. It can fly with wings nearly 7 feet wide, but it prefers striding for miles, spotting insects, rodents, and reptiles with its incredible eyesight before sprinting in for the strike. If awesome animals excite you, hit subscribe and join the safari for more wild adventures.